Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I am going to explain about call by reference. In the last video, I have explained about call by value. So what is call by reference? Here we use the concept of pointers. Same one. First, here I am writing one function. Execution starts from the main function. Here it is int main, the function we are taking. Inside the main function, first I am declaring one variable int a with the value 3. So a will get memory allocation. Inside the main function, local variables get memory. Here it is 3. Now address is important. In call by reference, address is important. Now observe this. Here we are calling one more function, void. Function name is a test. Test function I am taking. Call by reference means whenever you are calling this function, passing not value. A means what? Here it is 3 you are passing. That you are collecting into a variable, suppose A. Okay. Now here it is, don't pass value, pass address. Address. What is the address? 2046 you are passing. Sir, what type of variables store address? Right, only pointer variables stores address. So just make it pointer variable. Integer pointer A. Or if you are confusing, integer pointer P. So in this test function, this pointer variable holds address of A. Address of A means what? 2046. Then it start pointing to this one. It start pointing to this one, 2046. Now look at this. Whenever I am increasing the value like this, pointer P is equal to pointer P plus 1. Observe. P is nothing but 2046. Pointer P means what? The value which is inside that address. Inside the 2046, what is the value? 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 will store into pointer P. Pointer P means what? This is the location. Here the value will change, not here. Connections are there. Now, once the function execution completed, the control will go back. Here, whenever you are printing %d a value. What is the a value? 2046, a value 4. So output will be 4. Call by reference means calling the function by passing the reference. Reference means what? Address we are passing. What we are passing? Address. So what is the purpose? Here it is. Whenever you are doing any modifications here, automatically affects here. Nothing but in the called function, if you modify, that will affect in the calling function. This is call by reference. Sir, how can we write the prototype? Void. Here it is. Function name is a test. And this is integer pointer. This is the way we are representing. Right? Simply, this is call by reference. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you all.